Welcome back to the Piney Woods Homestead, y'all. Have I mentioned before how much I don't like playing in the mud? I think I did when I was a kid, but not anymore. Y'all, it's just been a muddy mess down here, but I've got to get a slab pile cleaned up. My father-in-law burns slabs in his auto body shop in a wood stove that he has, and he wants them. And he's got some used metal roofing that I've got to take off of a structure. It's going to go in our off-grid cabin up the hill, so doing a trade, and I want to get this loaded up today so that I can get it to him here in a day or two. Guys, we're going to play in the mud a little bit. Try not to tear things up too much. Thanks for stopping in at the Piney Woods, y'all. Hit that like and subscribe if you hadn't, and if you have, as always, we appreciate you. We'll get to moving a few slabs. Now, y'all, there's a couple of reasons I want to get these slabs moved anyhow. I want to come up here behind them, take out several trees, brush, do some dirt work, pull some of that dirt down here in front of my log deck where it's just a mud hole, and move the mill about 10 feet up the hill. That way I can actually have room once I get my culverts in, where I have that ditch full of water right now, that I can actually back my dump trailer and truck all the way down in here, or even pull it through. So that's my ultimate goal, is to get that done this spring and summer so that we can expand our wood yard for the firewood business. And I have more room to get log decks situated, more room to mill, more room to maneuver. But for now, I'm gonna speed this thing up for you, and we're gonna get some slabs moved out of here. And I'll show you putting them on the dump trailer. I'll be loading them with the excavator onto the dump trailer instead of just dumping them from the front end loader on the tractor, because I try to do it kind of gingerly. I don't want to tear up my trailer, so I always try to load with that thumb. It's just a whole lot smoother when I do it that way. All right, y'all, I believe I got a dump trailer load up there in the driveway. Now I'll go up there, hook to my trailer, and start loading. But I gotta clean up a little bit down here first, just so it's workable. Still got some slabs left. I had probably 2 or 3 dump trailer loads, but I'm gonna take him 1 load for now. If he wants more, I'll take more. But these slabs are kind of hard to work with, y'all. It's like pickup sticks. If you ever played that when you were a kid. It's kind of hard to get them all just right, and loading them, it takes a few minutes too with the excavator onto the trailer. But I'm gonna clean up this mess down here. I'll be so glad when it dries up, y'all. I just can't stand the mud. I like keeping my equipment clean. It's just driving me crazy. So hopefully it'll dry up soon. You can get back to stuff getting clean around here. It'll straighten up a little bit and I'll meet you up at the dump trailer. Got all those slabs loaded, y'all, and I did fairly decent. Got to come in here and push a few back up in there so I can get my tailgates open when I get over to my father-in-law so I can dump this whole load. And I pulled out this stump. It was from a dead poplar standing dead that the old blind man cut down for me several years ago. And I told Lisa, I said, I believe I can just pluck that stump straight up now. It should be rotten enough. And she actually stepped out the door after I plucked it, and she had her hands on her hips. She said, you didn't mess up my buttercups out there, did you? Because you see these buttercups blooming out here. Daffodils, what they're called. I call them buttercups. My favorite flower, y'all. But I plucked it straight up, didn't mess up none of them. Guys, thanks for stopping in at the Piney Woods as I loaded some slabs up. Just doing a little bit of cleanup. Getting ready for another milling job. Got some logs coming in here this week, so you'll be seeing some milling videos here pretty soon. Guys, y'all have a good day, a great week. We'll see you on the next video.